I don't think that looks right. Well, we got a Series X, so we're gonna have to fix the HDMI port on this one, so let's get her open. To get the sticker off cleanly for me, it's downstairs at 65 Fahrenheit. I hit 132 at 120 airflow, and I'll show you that. Like I said, it just allows me to pull those off super clean so I can put them back. And as usual, we just split the two, top and bottom. So again, here's that port. Now, one thing you don't know, it's 65 degrees Fahrenheit in here. We need to introduce low melt. If we don't, we're going to tear those pads. It is too cold in here to just remove this. And now that we're out with the old and cleaned up, on with the new. So out with that old, in with that new. Let's put it together. All right, plug her in. And let's see. Beeps. Did we get anything on there? Let's go. And like I said, nice clean sticker. Boom. We'll call customer, get them all done. And as always, don't forget to add that final touch.